fade away, fade away. For me, if I turn away to flee, but there's something holding on. I need to stay. It'd be easier for me.
Just left camp and on our way up near Waddy Point. We found, Dan and Chels found a fair few fish there yesterday afternoon, so we're going to head back here this morning and yeah, get into a bit of a fishing mission. We need to catch some fish because we're running out of food. Fingers crossed we get into a few. We haven't done too much filming over the last day or yesterday. We did have a bit of a hectic day at Nagala Rocks. We had a really late night there. Some guy in a camper trailer got bogged heading north and had to basically try turn him around and snatch him the other way because yeah, he wasn't, there was no way he was going to get through. We're driving around with a pretty bent steering rod from that night, so we're just taking it easy. But for now we're almost at our fishing spot and we'll hopefully get a few fish. So we're just throwing just a light little spin combo with a little 25-gram slug, mainly hoping for a tailor or yeah, something, probably get dart and stuff along the way too. boy seems to be catching all the fish. So I'm going to let him keep doing that and hopefully get us some dinner. And in the meantime, me and Chels might go fill up a couple of these bags here. There's a pair of dingoes coming up towards us. They're just on their way down now. I think they just do the rounds in the afternoon. We'll pass all the fishermen, hoping to grab a feed of fish. But yeah, they're on their way now. Oh, he's found something. Oh, good on you, mate. You got yourself a feed. So we're going to have a go at fixing this bent steering rod. I'll quickly show you through what our little game plan is. So you can see it's bent up here. So we're going to just sling the strap over it. Darren's getting his cruiser now. And Darren's going to jump up the front, hook his winch onto this strap, and we'll just go real easy on it, and hopefully it just straightens up just that little bit better, so it's a little bit nicer to drive home. Here we go, here, look at the big rig. Show everyone the cruiser. we go. Yeah. Right. Yeah. There we go, not perfect, but a little bit better and should get us home a little bit safer. Yoo. Alright Darren, this is to remember you mate. Here he is, the legend. Cheers big fella.